It's July 13th in the garden, and I'm gonna harvest some potatoes. Potatoes we planted back in the spring are ripening, and we don't have to harvest them all at once, which is a good thing. We can leave some of them in the ground and harvest and start having them for dinner tonight. So let's harvest our potatoes. Here is one hill of potatoes, and we're gonna pull the straw back. There's even a little spud right here at the surface of the soil. So, beautiful little pink-skinned banana potato. What you want to do when you harvest potatoes is you want to go straight down. You want to step outside. You don't want to get too close to the crown of the plant. You want to try to avoid cutting any potatoes or chopping into any potatoes, but if you do, you can just eat those first. So here we've got a nice little harvest from this one plant. Nice meal for 2 people. They're a pink fingerling potato, great for mash or roasted or anything like that. Harvesting potatoes.